Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about MiSide, guys, and I'm going to share with you that how actually I got a copy of the game for free, guys. As you can see right here on my PC, I'm making gameplay right now. And if you want to learn how to do this, guys, on your own, then I'm going to explain to you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it how to do it also. So guys, we're going to start this tutorial immediately right now. All you have to do, you just need to grab your smartphone in your hand. It doesn't matter the device that you have. It can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use, but if you have Android, it's totally fine. The steps are going to be the same. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the copy of the game for free on your device. Me, I got it by SMS. I'm going to share with you how it looks like. It says, congratulations, the task has been completed successfully. This is a game code, which is one-time use, is your MiSide game code from wizcoupons.com. So basically, I went to this website, guys, right here, which I'm going to show you also the rest of the steps. And once you're going to enter here, you just can use the searching bar to find the game, or you can scroll it down and check it by scrolling, but searching bar it's easier. Okay, you can check also for other things if you're interested. And here we are, guys. You just need to press show coupon code, then unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole circle to get completed until the end, 100%. And once it's going to be done, it's going to redirect you to another page and is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it. Just follow me. I'm going to explain all the steps. You just need to read the instructions, guys, on the top. And it says to download and complete 2 apps below in order to unlock MiSide game code. And under it says, after completing the task, enter your phone number or email above to receive the code. As you saw with me, I got it by SMS because I put my phone number over here. But if you want, you can put your email address so you can come by the email, the game code, guys, okay? But before you do that, guys, all you have to do, you just need to scroll it down to the list below. You're going to find a couple of apps here. You just need to choose 2 of them to complete it as a task. All the apps are for free. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything. And all the apps are from App Store and Play Store. So they are from official stores. You don't have to do anything outside official stores. So all you have to do, guys, you just need to choose 2 of the apps you want to do it. Try to find which is the easiest one and the simple one so you don't lose too much time. And make sure you are a new user only, which it means, for example, as you can see here is TikTok as an app. If you already have TikTok in your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You should choose another app which you didn't have downloaded before in your device, okay? So how it works, guys, it's pretty simple. Me, for example, I did High Five Casino and did TikTok. So once you're going to choose it, you just need to press on it, guys. I'm going to show it to you right now. You just need to press in the middle and tap to install, and then it's going to redirect you to App Store in the case you're using iOS, in Play Store if in case you're using Android. So as you can see, it's connected with my App Store right now, and to me it shows open because I did it before. So all I have to do with this app, I had to download it and just to open it for 30 seconds, and it was completed as a task. Once I did this one, guys, I did TikTok. I didn't have TikTok before my device. I just downloaded here, and then I just press on it, up to install again. It redirect me to App Store. Also TikTok, it was very simple task. You just need to download it to install the app. So it was in total 2-3 minutes, guys, to complete the whole task. So once I did both of them, guys, I just came back, I put my phone number there, and they just sent me the code by SMS. After a couple of minutes, they verified that I did everything correctly. So this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.